ladies, how's it going? My name is Carmen and welcome to my Enhance Your Natural Glow channel. This is my very first YouTube video, so I wanted to make it or to do it about something that I'm extremely comfortable with. So I thought that I would introduce you to the makeup routine that I do daily and also talk about stepping out of your comfort zone, because this is huge for me. Stepping out of my comfort zone and recording a video on YouTube, oh my god, it's definitely giving me angst. And those little paws you hear in the video is my dog. She just can't leave my side. She's a very cute little Pomeranian Chihuahua. So we are going to get started today. So this is my makeup compact. Basically, this is it. This is everything that I use in my makeup. I do have a few compacts, I'm not going to lie, and a few brushes. So we'll get comfortable and go from there. So talking about stepping out of your comfort zone. So I became a makeup artist. It's been a year now, and I had zero makeup experience when I started with Saint, like none. But when I seen the product and I seen the potential in the product, I just couldn't resist. I had to jump in with both feet, and I'd worry about the details afterwards. The first few months were a little bit hard, right? You're starting to recognize the product, starting to get familiar with the how it feels on your face. And my very first videos, my very first makeup products weren't exactly awestruck, where it was like, oh, you could totally tell you're wearing makeup. I was very shy with the makeup. Like I said, I had zero makeup experience. I had no idea how much to put on, where to put it, but I wanted to learn. So every day I applied the makeup and I started creating reels, and that's super uncomfortable. Just as starting this YouTube video, that's amazingly uncomfortable to start reels, especially when you're so used to talking to people. Reels is a whole different ballgame. And so I started with reels. And I got a lot of great reviews. A lot of people enjoyed them, which was great. So that was helping me step out of my comfort zone for sure. And then after I got comfortable with reels, that was probably, I'm still not 100% comfortable with reels, but I am a lot better with them. I started hosting parties. The business started taking off probably 6-7 months as I became an artist. I started having really great months. I had a bunch of great ladies who wanted to host a party, and going live every second day in those parties really do help get you out of your comfort zone. You really have to kind of research on what the placement of a contour is, why we use it, and same thing goes with foundation. And I was very, very new to foundation and contour. The most makeup I ever wore was eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. That was it for me. Anything else was extremely uncomfortable for me. I had no idea what I was doing, but I persevered and I researched. I watched other artists put on their contour and their foundation, and then pretty soon I was inspiring women who knew to join the business and to try this amazing makeup. But I would have never tried this makeup had I not stepped out of my comfort zone. So what is something that you have been wanting to do or are curious about and still haven't taken the plunge yet? I can guarantee you it's extremely rewarding. When women compliment me and say that stuff like, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have tried the makeup, or if it wasn't for your tutorials, I wouldn't have known how to apply the makeup, or even your upline saying, Carmen, I can see you and you're doing amazing. Those are all things that have helped boost my confidence. And I'm the most simplest girl when it comes down to makeup. I really do enjoy the way that I look. I was blessed with great skin. I am aging. That's what happens as we get older. I didn't really need makeup, but it sure is nice putting on some makeup that gives you a lift. Diminishes the features that, like the dark circles, and enhances your face and your features and your creases. So it's been easy to inspire other people to do the same. So this is just my basic everyday look. So if you like this video and were scared to jump on YouTube or scared to jump on Instagram and start doing reels and would like some help with that, I can gladly motivate you and give you some advice as to how I did it. Because as you can see, I'm not a pro, but I'm here showing up, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and give this video some love, and also comment. Let me know what's something that you've been wanting to get out of your comfort zone and you're scared to do it. I'd love to hear that. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.